Hello guys, today we're unlocking FRP on a Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G via server. You just need to connect your phone to the PC in Mi Assistant mode and wait for my help. So how to enter Mi Assistant? Power off the phone, hold the volume up and power buttons. When you see Mi Recovery, release the buttons and select Connect with Mi Assistant and connect your phone to the PC.